There we go.
So
What up, doing girls here with another
I'm gonna do the intro.
Yeah.
Namaste and welcome to Two Girls, One Coin.
No.
Yeah.
No. Welcome to Classes to Masses. No, fuck I messed. You know what I did?
What did you do?
I made a list.
Is it on the post-its? Fucking post-it quick.
Okay, so basically what we're deciding is we're deciding the name of the channel. I am obviously for crypto classes for the masses.
Which was my idea, but I'm now arguing against it.
And yours that you're fighting for is?
Two Girls, One Coin. It's genius.
Do you have a list?
Yeah, but I'm smart, so mine's in my head.
I think we should name the channel Crypto Classes. It's so long that I have to look at the post-it every time I say it. Crypto Classes for the Masses. Okay, now here's one of the reasons why I think it should be called Crypto Classes for the Masses.
Okay.
First of all, listen to it. Crypto Classes for the Masses, Crypto Classes for the It rhymes, there's rhythm, you know, there's, it could even be like an activism song, like, poof, poof, poof. Crypto Classes for the Masses. It's like a revolution. What we're trying to do here, we're trying to create a revolution.
My argument is that we should call the channel Two Girls, One Coin, and our tagline should be Crypto Classes for the Masses, because it's too long to be the name of a YouTube channel, but like everything Dee said, it's so catchy, it's a revolution. I'm just stealing your arguments and repurposing them. Yes, let's use two classes for the what? Crypto classes. We could introduce the video like, hey guys, what's up? Crypto Classes for the Masses, you know, but it's not a channel name, because what if we want to branch out our channel eventually into something that's not crypto classes?
Well, then
Something more.
what a coin? How is that going to be branching out? It needs to be about a coin. Getting that coin.
What are you talking about?
Well, in the name it says two girls, one coin. So what's that coin? It's a Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we can't branch outside Bitcoin.
No, we can.
To what? Another coin?
Yeah, any coins.
Ethereum.
Let's hear your next argument, Dee.
Okay, let's go with the marketing of the name. Right? Crypto Classes Crypto Classes for the Masses is PG-14. It's for everybody, right?
Yeah.
There is no, with two girls, one coin, there is the marketing behind it that is very, very, I don't want to get banned on our first video.
I get it.
Alright, let's hear one of your arguments then.
No, let's go through
No.
it.
Let's hear one of yours. You have nothing prepared, have you? You're just taking mine and just going pam, 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 pam.
Tactic and philosophy and arguments is if you just let the other person speak for long enough, they mess it up and you win. So that was my plan.
Well, how about this? Did you prepare for this?
Okay, imagine this. You type into YouTube, what is Bitcoin? And two videos come up, what is Bitcoin? One's from a channel called, I don't know, Crypto something.
Crypto Classes for the Masses.
You can't even fit it on. You can't even see it on your phone screen, it's so long. You don't even know what channel, you just see Crypto Clap and you're like,
Which is good, Crypto Class.
No, just Crypto Clap.
No, you see the classes.
Crypto Clap. You see Crypto Clap and you're like, okay, maybe. And then the second one is, what is Bitcoin? Two girls, one coin. Now, which one seems more entertaining? Which one are you going to have fun with? Which one are you going to have a laugh with? It's not Crypto Clap. You're going to think, it sounds a bit square. You know, I came to YouTube for a good time, you know. Otherwise, I'd be in school if I wanted to be bored.
Being class.
I'd be in class. In crypto class for the mass.
It is very creative and marketing. It sounds like fun. Two girls, one. I can't even say it. Guys, I can't even fucking say it.
You can't even say the other one because you can't even remember it when you come to say it. So,
Okay, first
not
of
an
all,
argument.
I did not come here to get attacked like this.
it's an argument. It's a
On
debate.
on a personal level, okay? Argue the point, it's not the person. When we start this, we have nothing. We have 0 subscribers, we have 0 everything, 0 view counts, 0 everything. So we want the marketing to be on our side. We want Google to be on our side.
You're right. You're right. You're right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we want to make the start of this as easy as possible. And we do
Right.
that by having a name that helps us out in the get-go. It says it in the name. What is it? Oh, it's crypto classes for the masses. What could it possibly be? Oh, I think it's classes for the masses. It's perfect. We don't have time to educate a market. It's already in the name. 2 girls, 1 coin. What are they talking about? I don't know. We can be anything.
I have nothing to say about that because it makes a lot of sense. Are you done? D wins the argument.
Are we calling it crypto classes for the masses?
Yeah.
Are we really?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Am I winning this debate? Oh my god, I love winning!
But I'm really disappointed. In my heart, I want it to be 2 girls, 1 coin. But if you can't win with logic, win with emotional guilt tripping. Crypto classes for the masses.
2 girls, 1 coin. It's really pointed towards you. Am I even in this video? God damn it. Oh no.
Frame it properly. Or was it super zoomed in or out? After you
Yeah.
did the thing?
Yeah.
Fantastic. That means you didn't catch me saying, oh yeah, it's crypto classes for the masses. 2 girls, 1 coin. Why don't we flip a coin?
Yes.
Yes.
Get that coin. Coin! 2 girls, 1 coin. And then we're flipping a coin.
Yeah, that's why I said it.
Oh. So which one is which?
Well, I think tails should be 2 girls, 1 coin.
Okay.
And heads should be
Classes, because you use your
classes.
class.
And tail, because... Heads. Oh no!
Crypto classes for the
Masses.
Ayo! Do you want to flip it again? Because now I want 2 girls, 1 coin. The masses.
How on earth? We started off on opposite sides and ended up on different opposite sides. Now you're arguing for my name and I'm arguing for yours.
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know, but it feels right.
Alright, I'm gonna be D.
Yeah, and I'll be Jade. I'll be a better version of you.
I'll be a better version of you because I'll at least remember what the channel's called. Why don't you just swap seats with me? Okay. Ready, Jade?
We should swap scene.
Jade,
Yeah.
let's call it Crypto Classes for the Masses.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think we should call it 2 girls, 1 coin.
Well, I think not, because you should match what you do with what you say, and we do crypto classes for the masses.
2 girls, 1 coin, because it's all about having a good time. Why are we even doing this if it's not for a good time?
Wow, you're a better me than me. So does the name even matter if
The
the
content,
content is good?
Yes.
Oh, it does?
Yes.
Why does it matter?
Because we want to give them a good view of who we are. It's what we are. What we do is crypto classes for the masses.
And who we are is people that watch disgusting videos on the internet.
Okay, I wouldn't say that. Who we are 2 girls talking about coins. Let's make that coin, people. Let's make that coin. We want our people to be financially independent, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're teaching them about coins. We're learning about coins.
Yes.
While we're learning, we're teaching, and it's just
Classes for everyone. Oh my god, crypto classes for the masses. You know what? That would make a really good name for our channel. Okay,
Alright,
2 girls, 1 coin.
2 girls, 1 coin.
2 girls, 1 coin.
How many coins?
1.
She's the smart one here.
How many girls?
That does.
Who are the classes for?
The masses.
We have it as a tagline. How do we sign out?
Don't know.
Just say bye.
Bye.
No.
We have a channel name. It's gonna be Crypto Classes. Nope. Nope.
Our channel name is 2 girls, 1 coin.
Whoop whoop. Don't know what that was. Who does that?
It's fine. We just edit it out.
Whoop whoop.
Just edit
I'm
you
just-
out.
What kind of classes can they expect?
Crypto classes.
Whoa,
Who's
for
it
the
for?
masses.